Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. While I'm not a fan of traditional gingerbread cookies, I found a recipe online that I tweaked, and I absolutely love them. The white chocolate chips are a killer combination with the gingerbread. I plan to make these every Christmas holiday from now on. They are hands down my favorite gingerbread cookies. This recipe makes 2 large cookies. I honestly had a hard time sharing them. There's a link in the description box to a print version of the recipe. In a small to medium bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of butter and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of whisked egg, which is made by cracking an egg and whisking it and then measuring it. In a separate bowl, mix the following dry ingredients together: 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/16 of a teaspoon each of nutmeg and cloves, which is basically just a pinch, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and then add these to the wet ingredients and mix them well. Then add 1/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of white chocolate chips and mix it well. Separate the dough into 2 cookies and place them on a baking sheet that's covered with parchment paper or a well-greased baking sheet. Place the cookies that are on the baking sheet into the freezer for about 15 minutes. This helps to just make them a little more firm. Preheat the oven while the cookies are getting firm. Bake them for about 10 to 14 minutes or until they are done. The cooking time depends on how hot your oven is. Take the cookies out of the oven and cool on a cooling rack and enjoy. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.